Okay, g'day, Rudy here. Welcome to the healthcare video. So we're going to start it off with the king. So Mr. CSL, yeah, we did have a sellout. I know some people are just going to hold on and buy more. But today it closed below, so it's below the round number of 200 at 198. So it's a bit of a psychological barrier too. Like if we're thinking of where prices go to, the immediate point is this support line here at 173. So if you can bear that, I think Mr. Market's just lost faith in the CSL to deliver. Got the merger, all those people being sacked, not delivering on a few things. But anyway, that's pretty hard to see it like bouncing from here. But anyway, that's just my opinion. But there are plenty of other healthcare stocks looking good, so let's get to some good news. So Cochlear is looking all right. It broke through the trend line here, come back, finding some support. If we have a little bit of green week, bit of an up week, then that would signal that Cochlear is away. ResMed. So ResMed looks lovely. Got the rounded bottom. Did have a buy of him here. So he's gone up, come back. He's now finding support at this support line. Beautiful. So next week, if we get these are weekly candles we're looking at. If we can get a bit of a green candle next week, then that signals he wants to go. Okay, and then there's NEU. So NEU, I had as a buy back here. I know a few subs got on board. Still looking good. Consolidating above this support level, above the trend line, 3 weeks. So that's not even too late to buy, probably. If you don't know what they are, they're in the development of new therapies for brain injury, neurodevelopment disorders, drug target symptoms resulting from acute traumatic brain injury. So pretty serious stuff. So that looks good. Ansell had the bump. I can't help but think it wants to fill the gap. Gaps like to get filled, so that's probably coming down here to $32. Anyway, it is what it is. Ramsey. So Ramsey really needs to come down here. What's that price? So 31.60. So it needs to come down here and then find a bit of a bottom, start going up. I wouldn't be buying that just yet, that's for sure. Sonic. Yeah, that's pretty sad too. So Sonic probably needs to go to a monthly chart. Yeah, so needs to come down to this support level here. It's at $21. So it's not a buy now. So it needs to come down to 21 and then start getting some green bars in it. Fisher and Paykel. So that's an interesting one, really. It's getting squeezed at the highs here. So long as this $32 holds. So if you love it, I'd buy it, and if it drops below here, sell it. But I think if it breaks through 35.50 there, then it's got a lot of energy to get through. Helios. So Helios is a bit. I think they're the same pathology like Sonic, so they're having a bit of a hard time too. These blood people. So that's not a buy yet, so it probably needs to, well, it came down here, you can see it came down, went back up. So it's not a buy yet. Need to see a bit of up action before you get into it. Sigma Healthcare. So it's interesting, this one. So it's a bullish formation there. You've got a big green candle and then some slowly moving down ones. So that's a bullish formation above trend. So if you were looking at, so you'd be looking at if you can get a nice green candle through there, it would be a buy. Nanosonics. Okay, Nanosonics is starting to look pretty good. So you can see it's been a big downtrend there. So it broke through, come back down, found support around these levels here. How'd it go? No, didn't have enough energy. Come back down, finding support at this 370 level. So that's a buy, really. Actually, I should, well, if you're going to say that, put it in. Alright, that way I can get in trouble if I get it wrong. CU6. So that's another, so they're in the clinical stage pre-revenue and specialises exclusively in copper-based therapeutics. I had a subscriber who was a bit worried about that, but that's a buy. Declining wedge breakthrough. It's very nice. Telix. It's a bit painful. I did have it as a sell up there. I think I told someone around here would be a buy, but not an official buy. So it needs to. So it's coming down. It's slowing down. So this needs to come down to this $12 or $13. So the round 13, and get a bit of green. Then that should be fine. Doc. So this is this was given to me by a fellow subscriber. So we had that as a buy last time. So it looks like it's run out of energy. So I wouldn't be buying that now. I wouldn't be selling it either. Just hold. CSX Clean Space. Okay, so this was this was given to me actually. So they design, manufacture and sell respiratory protection equipment for healthcare and industrial markets. 29% revenue increase. Okay, well they're forming a really bullish chart pattern. So there's your first bull, your sideways bullish flag. Big candle, then then break. And now it's doing this. So a break of that, and that should be off again, 76 cents, probably go for the round $1 mark. So if you like that space, seems like a good space. Singular Health, so they're 3D medical imaging. So they've got had a few little chart patterns going on here too. So they're at a pretty good support level. You can see down here it got the wicks came down, bought up. This week's getting bought up. So you'd like to see it get back above 32 cents. Just to confirm. But if you like 3D medical imaging, sounds pretty good. Almost as good as this one. I had it in the last video. And here's a. I didn't know I was going to do this. I didn't buy it. But they're in the. They do 4-dimensional imaging. So I wouldn't buy it, but if you like this kind of stuff, put it on your watch list. This is another. So we do have some exciting tech things going on. Lumos Diagnostics creates innovative point-of-care diagnostic tests. So anyway, it's not a buy, but if it pulls back, all good. All right, now the couple of health insurers. So Medibank, I put out, when was that? July, 14th of July. Put the sell on, had the big shooting star wick there, and it's been defiant, I tell you. But it looks like he's finally falling over. So I wouldn't be buying that. Then the other guy is NIB. So I think I did a video do the switch from Medibank to NIB. It's not a, it's pretty. The div's 3.8, so it's not great. So it's not terrible. It's not a sell either. So it's a hold. All right. So that's our healthcare wrap. Let us know your thoughts. All right. See ya.